Okay, well, the Blue Heron video seemed to have uploaded successfully, and after a good 90 minutes of running around and playing, the kittens are getting their first meal time. It's hard to have enough seating for, yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, we got to find kitten number 9. There's kitten number 9. Kitten number 9's running around upstairs. Chow chow. Chow chow. Chow chow. Kitten's still playing with White Dog. Oh well. Well, this is our usual routine as it sort of begins to warm up. We move out to the balcony for feeding and outdoor viewing. The older cats kind of wait till the kittens have done with their feeding frenzy, and in fact, I feed the older cats who become more particular with time of different food. They all seem to gravitate towards the 3-ounce can of Purina Pro Plan whitefish. Another part of the morning activity, of course, is I cleaned all the litter boxes and added some litter to them. Nice to have these rolling boxes. And the kittens will spend quite a bit of time out here now. They're eating the Halo brand food. There's a variety of chicken and stew and salmon and turkey and giblets. But I want them to get filled up so that they don't eat the adult food, which never goes on sale and is quite expensive. And this Halo food is very good stuff as well. But for some reason, Cheeto has decided he pretty much just wants to eat the Purina Pro Plan, and he will just not eat wet food unless he gets what he wants. Definitely shameless plug for World's Best Litter, corn litter only. It absorbs moisture and odors much faster and better than clay litter, less dust, and with a fast absorption, you can clean it out, within a few minutes after use. Although I've got so many litter boxes, one cleaning a day per litter box works fine. So this is the second part of our outdoor nursery balcony adventure place video. The heron's gone. And keep this to 2 minutes.